Visuals reflect a sense of happiness and joy. The long-standing demand of the Maratha community has been fulfilled by the state government, and the celebrations are in the air across the state. The Maharashtra legislature on Thursday unanimously passed a bill proposing 16% reservation for Marathas under socially and educationally backward category. The bill provides for reservation of seats for admission in educational institutions and posts in public service to Marathas who have been declared as socially and educationally backward class of citizens. The government will implement the decision soon after completing the legal formalities. The Chief Minister thanked the opposition for passing it unanimously.
राज्य सरकार ने आज कानून बनाकर मराठा समाज को आरक्षण का लाभ दिया है। पिछले कई दशकों से मराठा समाज जो संघर्ष कर रहा था, आज एक प्रकार से राज्य सरकार ने उसके ऊपर पूरी तरीके से कार्रवाई की है और हमारे विधानमंडल के दोनों सभागृहों ने एक मत से यूनानिमसली इस कानून को पास किया है।
Marathas will now get 16% reservation in jobs and education in Maharashtra. A bill to this effect was passed unanimously by the State Assembly. It was first passed by the Assembly, followed by a unanimous passage in the Maharashtra Legislative Council. This 16% reservation is over and above the 50% reservation allowed by the Supreme Court. Currently, the OBC reservation stands at 52% in Maharashtra, and the Maratha quota will take it to 68%. The bill was introduced after the action taken report on the State Backward Class Commission's recommendations for Maratha quota. Political parties have welcomed this decision of the state government.
ये ऐतिहासिक निर्णय है। महाराष्ट्र के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षर में लिखा जाएगा। इस प्रकार का निर्णय हमने लिया और उस वजह से पूरे महाराष्ट्र में एक खुशी और जल्लोष का माहौल है और हम लोग जो बोलते वो करते वो भी लोगों में एक संदेश इसके माध्यम से हमने पहुंचाया है।
काफ़ी अहम निर्णय हुआ है। आज जो बिल पास हो गया है ऐतिहासिक निर्णय है। उद्धव साहब ने पहले से ही कहा था कि मराठा समाज को अपना न्याय मिलना चाहिए।
मुझे खुशी है कि आज ये फैसला हो रहा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी तो पहले हम तो सकल मराठा समाज को अभिनंदन करेंगे, क्रेडिट उनको जाता है। पार्टी की सम्मति है, हमारा समर्थन है इसको।
Fadnavis also tabled the action taken report on the State Backward Class Commission's recommendation for reservation to the Maratha community in government jobs and education. Marathas have been declared as socially and educationally backward class of citizens and have inadequate representation in services under the state, the panel report has said. They are entitled to reservation benefits and advantages enshrined in the constitution. The Maratha community, which comprises over 30% of the state's population, has been seeking reservation in the government jobs and education for a long time. With inputs from Shishir Shalar and Yogesh Sheetal, DD News.